We got even more animals in. Oh my goodness. This is just the first half. Oh, look, it's a little Vietnamese centipede. Hi. Look at those chompers. Oh, he's so cute. I think centipedes are cute, but I would never, you know, hold one.
No.
Ooh, man, he's tearing at the hole.
Yeah.
Can't put my finger there, else he could envenomate me or whatever.
Yeah.
Wait, they can't do that with their those black.
Yeah. The.
Wait, what has the venom?
That's the thing that he's sticking out. Right
Oh
there.
shoot! Yeah, you gotta be careful.
That's.
Dang. So that would, if I touched that, he would pierce my skin.
It could. He's trying to like dig out. And these are Asian. There's some really.
You're
fat
still
ones.
adorable though. Don't worry, I still think you're cute. Then we got some Asian forest scorpions.
Look how fat that one is. That's
Oh.
probably gravid.
Oh yeah, I think that one's got babies. Because it's like double the fatness of the other ones, or triple. Oh man. And there's the rest of it. We got a huge restock of crested geckos, man. Look at them all.
10 of them.
10. Look at the babies. Oh.
And then 2 adult males.
And then 2 adult males. Look at that. Ooh, this Dalmatian. And then,
Trinidad chevron.
oh, it's cute. It's a little Trinidad chevron, and I guess it has slow leaves. And a Mexican black king snake. Oh. Uh-oh. There they go. That one wants to stay on your hand. That was such a weird jump. Tag, yeah.
Tag and food and Wawa.
Oh, it's a baby. Well, he's not a baby, but he's cute. Oh, hi, bud.
Looks to be male.
Oh, yeah. He's got... Pretty easy to tell.
Oh
males,
yeah.
because they're well endowed.
This one is very pretty.
Oh, look at you.
Very handsome.
It's got all sorts of cool colors.
Oh yeah, lots of texture. A little petite, but
We'll get him
definitely
fattened
a
up.
worker. Oh yeah. Oh, you don't want to let go.
He loves you.
I love him.
I can see him though. The face, yeah. Oh, he got himself a cricky. He's so proud of himself.
Actually, he's got 2. He's got one under this part of his body with his.
I've never seen them.
Yeah, they can carry like a whole bunch of. They grab them.
So they can just carry them with
They just
their
hold them
feet.
until they're done eating the one.
That's hilarious.
They just move it up.
Mmm, yum. He's got one. He's holding on to one with his butt feet. Guess it's handy though to have, like,
Yeah.
we can just. So I wonder how he'll get to his mouth though.
He'll probably just roll around and grab it.
He'll roll
Yeah, they
into
can,
himself.
I mean, they're so.
Oh, he's so cute, munching away. Munch, munch. When he holds his antenna like that, it looks like a red mustache, a giant red mustache. Oh, look at the canyon sandboa. Oh, cute little snake.
Looks like a little night crawler.
Yeah. So cute. Nice patterns on them.
And comfy.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, Spider-Man.
He's like, I don't want to let go of the towel. No, thank you.
There you go.
Oh, they're ready. Some of them are ready anyway. There you go. Ah, they're behaving good for you.
They're just being nice today.
Let's take this moment to appreciate the awesomeness of Haley's new tattoo.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
It's a black palm cockatoo.
that's awesome. I bet it'll look even more amazing when it's colored in.
I know, I'm excited.
Somebody bought all our bird poop frogs in one go, so we got a whole bunch more in. Because when you buy, you can't just buy one. You gotta buy multiple of these guys because they're so darn cute, and Haley wants them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so teensy.
And they have big feet, and they look like bird poop. And it's really cute. Oh, that was great.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, it's like a. What? Watching them jump is pretty darn funny too.
They just splat when they land.
Boing. Like a little
Easy,
piece of
though.
popcorn. Oop. That one's like, I'm gonna make a break for it. God. Nice variety of like shades of everything. That's cool. Got some of them lighter, some that are darker, some that have really good contrasting colors, like this guy down here. There we go.
These guys always got fun personalities.
Yeah, for sure. Hi. Oh, he looks so shiny. He's really shiny. I wonder if he just got done shedding.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good and fresh.
Well, at least he's not too excited yet. That might change when you touch him.
I'll see how he feels.
Oh, nope. He's just gonna
You
stay
can
in
let
a
me
little.
pick you up?
Yeah, he's gonna let you pick him up without giving you much trouble.
A little cautious, but
He's like,
not too cranky
what?
at me.
What's going on here? Cutie.
Probably still a little sleepy from the car ride over.
Yeah. Cool.
Awesome. I think that was all the babies for today.
Yeah.